Showing you around the Crestview Lake. Amazing. Today, and this is where gonna eat early lunch in Crestview, Florida. My order. My drinks is here now. Cheers. This is Hub City Smokehouse and Grill Restaurant. Yeah. So I gonna order now. My side dishes is I choose potato salads. My order looks yummy-licious. Wow. Extra delicious. Delicious. This is the bar and restaurant inside. It's a bit noisy. Yeah. And lots of customers. This is the beautiful area where I eat. This will take out for dinner. My other order, yeah. Good foods, great friends, and good time. So this is the restaurant where I've been through. Somebody is coming. Yeah, so that one. Yeah. Ooh, it's a good grilled restaurant, Filipino style. before driving back home, a mega shout out to my beautiful Doña Elena. Hi. Eva in Florida. Hi. Inday Luray. Bunso Mav. Beshi ng Bayan. Refreshing area, enjoying the cool weather. Yeah, in the middle of the lake. Yeah, I think this is salt, or I do not know what kind of other. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm here now, all over. Beautiful scenery around, even the weather is not really summery. Yeah. It's about to rain. It's like rain, sunny, rain, sunny. Yeah, I saw one koi also, but yeah, I cannot do fishing because lots of turtles swimming around me. So maybe next time on my next day off. So I'm so glad I'm around to see the beautiful nature of the world. Nature is beautiful. Yeah, so thank you very much. Yeah, so I'm happy. So bye bye Fajita'S Mexican restaurant. Just done my beautiful lunch and rock and rolling again in the road. Yeah, so stay tuned. My beautiful SUBS. Tasting my order. How it tastes. Cheers. Deliciousness overload. Fajita'S, Mexican Fajita'S, appetizer, the hot dip sauce. My order, the fish fillet and shrimp. Yeah, cheers. Yeah, I'm here at Fajita'S Mexican Spanish restaurant here in Florida. So I'm just waiting for the orders. 2 orders for today. Cheers. And this one. Cheers. It's alright. This one. Cheers. Amazing. This time I'm choosing seafoods. Yeah, so I gotta order the fish fillet and shrimp. Yeah, for a change because I always love eating grilled ribs, steaks, and now seafoods. Yeah, here at Spanish restaurant in Florida. And also my drinks is sweet tea as always. Yeah, thank you, mom. It's here, the sweet tea. Yeah, and I do not know what we call this. So thankful today. Everything done. This is appetizer, sweet tea for me, as always. Yeah. Thank you, mom. Gracias. It's a Mexican restaurant, so I try to speak Spanish. Yeah, since I know how to speak Spanish language. Yeah. The first appetizer. I like the lightings. Okay. Yeah, so gonna eat lunch after the notarized was done, and Mexican, Latin, Asian restaurant here in Florida. Yeah. I have my glasses, reading glasses here. Yeah. So naughty girl, right?